TypeScript intersections with conflicting properties don't error. They silently create the impossible. Intersection types, written with the ampersand operator, combine two or more types into one. The resulting type must satisfy every requirement of all intersected types. That means you get every property from type A and every property from type B. When properties don't conflict, this works perfectly. All of them are accessible and typed correctly on the merge type. Here's where it gets interesting. When both types define the same property with incompatible primitive types. Say type A has id as a string and type B has id as a number. TypeScript computes string and number simultaneously. Since no value can satisfy both, it collapses that property to never. The property still exists on the merge type, but it's permanently unusable. Nothing can be assigned to it. The story changes when the conflicting property is itself an object type. Rather than collapsing to never, TypeScript recurses into the subproperties and intersects them individually. So if both types have a config property that's an object, the result merges their subproperties together, each one subject to the same rules. Non-conflicting subproperties merge cleanly. Conflicting primitive subproperties become never. Intersection types merge all properties from both sides, but primitive type conflicts collapse to never. So always watch for accidental type conflicts in your type level algebra. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.